In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a website in GoDaddy Websites plus Marketing. We'll go from the initial setup all the way to making your site live, and I'll explain each part clearly so the process feels simple and manageable, even if this is your first time building a website. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to Websites plus Marketing. From there, choose Start for Free or Create Site, depending on what appears on your screen. This will open the website setup process and take you into GoDaddy's guided builder. If your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. The wording can vary a little, but the goal is the same. Start a new website project. Next, select the category or industry that best matches your site. This helps GoDaddy suggest layouts and content styles that fit your business or project. After that, enter your business name. Be sure to type it exactly the way you want it to appear on your website, since this name may automatically show up in key areas like your homepage and header. You can usually change it later, but it's a good idea to start with the correct version. Once that's done, you'll be asked to choose a theme template. Pick the one that feels closest to the style you want. Focus on the overall look and structure rather than small details, because you'll be able to customize it in the next step. After choosing your template, start editing your site using the Visual Builder. This is where you can customize sections, adjust text, swap images, and shape the layout so it matches your brand and message. Take your time here and preview each section as you go. A clean, simple design is often more effective than trying to add too much at once. When your content and design are in place, connect your custom domain. To do that, go into Settings, then Domain. From there, follow the prompts to attach the domain you want your visitors to use. This is an important step because it gives your site a professional web address instead of a temporary one. Make sure the domain is spelled correctly before saving any changes. Finally, click Publish. This makes your website live so people can start visiting it after publishing. It's a good idea to open the site yourself and check that everything looks right on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your GoDaddy website is now created, customized, connected to your domain, and published.